Okay, so today we went over the T chart of words like adjectives. Basically, here you guys are. This is our T chart that we made for warm colors and cool colors. I know that they're backwards right now, but for warm colors, I picked shiny, friendly, bright, hot. For cool colors, sleepy, calm, sad, lonely. So remember I told you, we talked about what warm colors mean. There's our colors that are gives you like warm feelings basically and warm thoughts, warm colors, as well as cool. That's the same thing as saying cool feelings and cool thoughts. And the colors that are associated with warm were once again red, yellow, and orange. And for cool colors, it was blue, green, and purple, right? It was the first half of the rainbow for the warm colors and the second half for the cool colors, okay? So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to open up as a team your supply boxes. And in your supply box, you should have two white paper for each person. So each person should have how many paper? Two pieces of paper, okay? And you should have a set of color pencils or crayons inside as well. And these should be, you should have enough for warm and cool colors as well. And you should be able to share with each other and take turns using it. So what I want you guys to do now is to take one of your paper and I want you to fold it in half. Like this. We're going to be making 4 squares. So you need to fold it in half one time, and I want you to fold it once again in half. Another time. And you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, okay? And I want you to do the same with the other piece of paper. Ta-da! Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you should have one piece of paper for warm colors and the other piece for cool colors, okay? And what we're going to be doing is from the T chart that we created and from words that you want to pick, you should be picking at least 4 words, 4 from the warm section and 4 from the cool section. You could actually think of your own words as well, as long as it's associated with cool colors and warm colors. And what I want you to do as the first step is to write those words on one side of the paper. So you see the words I chose were shiny, can't see it, bright, friendly, and hot, okay? And these, once again, I call them adjectives, right? These are descriptive words that describe nouns, right? And if you look here, I drew pictures that I thought symbolized or represented the words that I chose. So you could tell, I don't know if you could tell, but this one is for friendly. You can see it looks like 2 figures holding hands. And I used the colors red, orange, and yellow because those are the warm colors. And once again, this one is for shiny. The bottom I did for bright and then hot because it looks like frames. So what I want you to do, you don't need to be excellent artists and you don't have to put so much detail into every little thing. Just make a general shape or just an image that comes to your mind when you think of the words that you've picked. Remember, please don't do the same things I've done, okay? And what I did was I did the same thing for cool colors. So I chose the words sleepy, calm, sad, and lonely. And I want you to draw the pictures that you think go along well with that word. So as you could tell, this looks like a man by himself or a figure by itself on a hill. So it looks like lonely for me. And this one for sad because it looks like tears, right? Or rain. The cloud, I don't know why, but I always think of clouds when I think of sleepy. Maybe it's more like a dream cloud, okay? And then right here, I think of the word calm when I think of the water, just being calm. So, for these words, because they're associated with cool colors, I only drew using the cool colors as well as maybe one or two. Actually, I have 2 or 3 of the colors mixed together. Okay, so that's it. And once you guys finish, please remember to write your names on the back and the front. And what I want you to do is put it in your supply box as soon as you're finished, and I'm going to be hanging it up in our gallery, okay? Thank you, and hope you enjoyed this session.